Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Acura TL AC. First, gather your tools, including an AC refrigerant recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection and gloves. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your Acura TL's AC system, usually found on the passenger side near the firewall. This port is typically smaller than the high-pressure port. With your engine running and the AC set to maximum cold and high fan speed, you are ready to connect the kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your recharge kit to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click when it's properly seated. Before adding any refrigerant, observe the pressure gauge on the kit to understand your current AC system pressure. This initial reading is crucial. Now, slowly add the refrigerant by squeezing the trigger on the can in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Between each burst, release the trigger and check the pressure gauge. Shake the refrigerant can periodically to help ensure a consistent flow. Continue this process until the gauge indicates the pressure is within the recommended range, typically shown as a green zone. Do not overfill the system. Once the pressure is correct, carefully disconnect the recharge kit from the low-pressure service port. You might hear a small hiss, which is normal. Next, check the air coming from your Acura TL's vents to ensure it's blowing cold. If your AC still isn't performing well after recharging, it might indicate a leak or a more serious issue, and professional inspection is recommended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.